Most people think all VPNs are the same, but choosing the wrong one can mean your data is still being tracked. Ads aren't blocked, and your connection might drop right when you need it most. That actually happened to me when I was using a free VPN. So I decided to test Norton VPN. And since you're probably here to get that promo code, here's the thing. Norton actually doesn't use codes. Instead, there's a link in the description below that'll knock up to $35 off of the price. Or you can scan the QR code on screen if that's easier. So here's why I even bothered with Norton VPN in the first place. I've used Norton for antivirus on my Windows laptop for years, and I figured getting their VPN is easier than downloading a whole new app. Honestly, I was a little skeptical because sometimes those all-in-one tools cut corners, but I travel a lot. I work from coffee shops and I needed something simple, secure, and affordable. So the first thing I checked was that they have a no log policy, and Norton does say they don't log browsing activity either, which is a non-negotiable for me. I ran a few leak tests and it came back clean. Then there's the built-in ad blocker, which actually surprised me. It cut down a ton of those sketchy pop-ups and autoplay ads when I was browsing new sites. I wasn't expecting to feel that noticeable, but it really made a difference. Next up is the kill switch. If your VPN drops for even a second, it instantly cuts your internet, so your real IP does not leak. I simulated a drop just to test it, and Norton's kill switch kicked in immediately. That's the kind of quiet safety net you hope you never need, but you're glad it's there. And then there's the IP rotation and double VPN. Norton lets you rotate your IP automatically, and you can even route through 2 VPN servers instead of 1. That makes it way harder for trackers to follow you online. Honestly, that feature combo usually comes with the more premium VPNs, so seeing it here was a nice bonus. Of course, it's not perfect. Norton's server network isn't as huge as some competitors, so if you're trying to unblock a really niche streaming service overseas, it can take some trial and error. Also, the app design feels a bit more like a utility than a sleek VPN, but if you already use Norton antivirus, the VPN is built right into that same app rather than being a completely separate one. That's convenient if you want everything in one place. But if you prefer a standalone VPN experience, it may feel less polished. Functionality though, it works. Now, if you're someone who just wants reliable protection on your laptop or phone with extras like ad blocking and double VPN without overcomplicating things, then Norton VPN is honestly a solid choice, especially if you're already using Norton security tools. It just fits right into that ecosystem. But if you're a hardcore streamer chasing every single regional library, you might want to look for something else. And again, if you want to try it out, make sure you use the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. It'll save you up to $35, which is exactly how I signed up. No promo code needed, just the link.